Good day everyone, you are welcome to this training. In this video we are going to discuss on the meaning of web design. We want to define web design and know its meanings. Then we discussed on the importance of web design. Why do we need to create a website? Then we discuss the fundamental of web design. There are three fundamentals of web design. We discuss those three fundamentals in this video. So for this reason, don't skip any part of this video. Make sure you watch everything from the beginning to the end. Now, what is the meaning of web design? Web design consists of many skills and disciplines. Many skills and disciplines in the production of a website. It refers to the design of a website that are displayed on the internet. The user experience of a website. Now, what are the importance of learning web design? Why do we need to learn web design? Why? There must be a need, or let's say some needs to learn web design. What are those reasons? Who are those people that need a website? So as I said earlier, it refers to the design of websites that are displayed on the internet. It is the user experience aspect of websites. That means all the colors, alignments, arrangements, fonts that are given to a particular website are done by website designers. Importance of learning web design. Web design is not just creating web pages to display content and image. It is the talent of creating presentation of content that is viewable by end users through World Wide Web by the way of our web browsers. There are many benefits in learning web design. Among the benefits are these: you can start your own business online with your web design skills. You can be doing a freelancing job with your web design skills, especially on Fiverr. You can build websites for clients online and earn your money in a short time. All this will be working from home, from the comfort of your home. You can also start your own training institute online. You can also build a website and start doing a blogging job and write posts for clients, for business websites, and so on. There are so many benefits in learning web design. I am just mentioning few. Before the end of this training, I will tell you 10 ways you can earn money with your web design skills. Don't worry, I have included it in our training outline. Website monetization. How are we going to monetize our websites, or how are we going to monetize our skills? Now let's head to Fiverr and see how people are making money with their web design skills. They are doing freelancing job on Fiverr. Let's see. This is Fiverr, a platform for freelancing job, video editing, logo animation, article and blog, other content. This website, WordPress. Let's click on this. Can you see? Help you with WordPress lenders a website from $25. Redesign WordPress website, customize website, $75. Build modern WordPress website, $95. Can you see how much the price is? Revamp redesign, customize and fix issues, $10. Design and build a custom WordPress website, how much? $395. This amount is very huge amount. Create a WordPress website landing page, $120. The amount is very huge. Design or duplicate or build a WordPress website, $40. Design professional and responsive WordPress website, $185. Create modern WordPress website, $50. Design custom WordPress website, $200. Can you see? He has 713 reviews. That means he has delivered to 713. This one has delivered to 940. This one 372. This one 185. They have ordered his products. They have ordered his service. 36 reviews here. This one is 1,494 order. This one has made. And the amount is very huge, $395. So can you see how people are making money with their web design skills? So learning website designing is the best choice that gives you a bright and enthusiastic future. You can start your own business in low investment and make money in a short duration of time. So I will teach you how to create a Fiverr account, a selling account. I will teach you how to create it in this training. Fundamentals of web design. So we have 3 fundamentals of web design, 3 bases. Web design stands on these 3 fundamentals. The first one is www. The full meaning is World Wide Web. We also have Server. Sometimes they call it web server. We also have URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Now let's take them one by one. www. This www is an acronym, short form for what? For World Wide Web. World Wide Web is like a word entirely. It's like another world apart from Earth. Just think this www, World Wide Web, as another world entirely on the internet. As we have our world, we also have World Wide Web for the internet. Now, what is web? A web is a subset of the internet. Internet is just like a universe that contains web. This internet consists of web and some other things, but web is what we are concerned with in this tutorial. But internet contains other things like email and FTP, file transfer protocol. Now, this World Wide Web, they call it web. It's World Wide Web. So it consists different pages that can be accessed by a web browser. So it is a part of the internet. It's a part of the internet. So the main difference from web and the internet is that the internet is the global network of servers, while the web is a subset of the internet. So it is a part of it. A vivid example is, let's say the internet is just like a universe that contains many planets like Pluto, Neptune, Earth, and the lights, while the web is like a planet inside the universe. So as we have Pluto, Neptune, Uranus inside the universe, so also we have the web inside the internet. So also we have web inside what? Inside the internet. Another things that the internet contains is file transfer protocol, which is FTP. We also have email. As we are using internet for email, we are using internet for FTP. So that's another thing that internet contains. Now, what is web server? So web server are computer programs that store and transmit documents. This web server, they store and transmit documents to other computers on the network when they are asked to do it. This web server, they are the things that store all those web pages you are seeing on the internet, you are seeing on the web. They serve as reservoir. They store the pages, the web files. The files you are seeing on the website are stored inside the web server. So it is like a house built to store the web pages. So as houses reside inside the earth, as web servers reside inside the World Wide Web. Under this, we have web browser. These web browsers, they are software that allow user to view the retrieved document inside the web. These web browser are just softwares that allow users to view the retrieved document inside the web. Those documents that are saved inside the web server. So the web browser will retrieve them out for the user to view. So now, what is URL? The full meaning of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. So it is an online address that leads to your website. Is the address of a website. So inside the World Wide Web, the address of our website is called the URL of that website. Whenever someone wants to locate our website inside the www, the person needs to have our URL. Through that URL, so we'll be able to access our files, our documents that are saved inside our web server. A vivid example is just like when someone wants to locate you inside the earth. Someone wants to locate any of us inside the earth now. He or she needs to ask for our house address. He must know our house address, our house number, and some informations. So if anyone wants to locate a website inside the World Wide Web, the person must know the address of that website. This online address is called URL. Components of a URL. So there are some components of a URL. That means a URL can be divided into some divisions. Now, the HTTPS part. So this one is an application layer, a protocol which enable www to work smoothly and effectively. It's just used to enable World Wide Web to work smoothly and effectively. It secures your files whenever it's transferring or accessed by a client. That means this HTTPS works as a security. A vivid example of this one is of two trailers. One wants to transport a full load of money, while the other one wants to transport full load of books, exercise books. Among the two trailers, which one are we going to provide the security for? Which one needs security? Among the two, we see that the trailer that is transporting full load of money, we have to provide security for it, like soldier, like any security, so as the money be safe, so as to make the money safe. but the one that's transporting books, so we may not need any security for it. So this HTTP serves as security for our files when it is transferring or when it is accessed by a client. So it provides security for the website. Now, www, World Wide Web. I think we have already explained that one. Now let's move to domain name. Domain name is the name of your website. It is the common name for all web pages inside your website. All the pages inside your website, this name is common to them. Now, what is a website? A website is a collection of web pages that is identified by a common domain name. That common domain name is the name of your website. So it is like the name of the shelf or room where all your documents or files can be accessed or viewed. So it is just like the cupboard, or let's say a room where all your files, all your documents can be accessed directly, can be viewed directly by a user when the browser asks the server for the files stored in it. Types of domain extensions. The last part of a URL is called domain extension. There are most used domain extensions. There are 5 most used domain extensions. I will mention all those 5 most used domain extensions, and I will tell you when to use them, because there are some websites that each of them fits for. Now let's take .com. .com is used for commercial business. You cannot use .com for educational websites. It is used for what? For commercial business. Then we have .org. This .org, as the name suggests, organization. So it is used for organization sector. They are using it in the organization sector like NGO. Then you have .gov. .gov, so it's for government agency. We also have .edu. .edu is used in what? In the educational institution. We hearing something like funab.edu.ng, lautech.edu.ng. Those are the names of the institutions. So they attach edu. So at the back of their domain. So because they are educational institutes. Then we also have .net. So this one is used in our network sector. So they are using it in our network sector. So imagine someone creating a website, an NGO website, and use .edu. Are they correlate? No. There's no correlation between the .org and .edu. You cannot create an NGO website and use .edu for it. No. So, and you cannot create commercial business website and use .net. No. So there are some websites that each of them fits for. Now let's quickly summarize what we have been saying so far. What we have discussed in this video on basis of website design. We talk on the introduction of website design, the importance and the fundamentals of website design. We talked on www, World Wide Web. We also talk on server URL and some other things like web browsers. We explain it and how it works. We also talked on URL, Uniform Resource Locator, and showed the components of that URL. We also talked on types of domain extensions, and also I showed you how people are making money with their website skills on Fiverr.com. You can do better than that with your web design skills after you have learned it. So make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end, all the videos, so that you will not miss any of the important words there. I will drop the assignments into the classroom. Make sure you do assignment and send this to me on awakesubmit@gmail.com. I will see you in the next video.